As we navigate this digital age, the importance of robust cybersecurity measures cannot be overlooked. So today it's my privilege to discuss the transformative impact of security orchestration, automation and response systems on the cybersecurity landscape. So traditional cyber defense methods are being outpaced by increasing cyber threats in volume and sophistication. This is where source systems comes into play, revolutionizing how we approach cybersecurity. So by integrating with security information and event management systems, SOAR platforms automate the incident response process, employing dynamic AI-driven solutions that adapt to evolving threats. So this enhances response time, significantly reduces errors, and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. So imagine a cybersecurity environment that proactively defends against threats, where innovative platforms like Zonanstack offer adaptive AI models. These models enable dynamic playbook suggestions and automate adjustments, empowering organizations to not just react to cybersecurity but anticipate and neutralize them proactively. So this is the promise of source systems, a promise of enhanced digital reliance. So source systems serve as a bridge between the detecting security incidents and their resolutions, offering a comprehensive approach to incident response. So using predefined playbooks, these systems guide security teams through the response process efficiently and effectively, which ensures compliance with internal policies and external organizations. So however, the journey of source system continues beyond automatic responses. They address the limitations of traditional playbooks, which need to be more active, updated, and labor-intensive to be updated. So by leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, source solutions dynamically adapt to new threats, enabling quicker and more effective responses to emerging dangers. So consider the scenario of a financial institution using a source system integrated with their SIEM. So upon detecting unusual login attempts from a foreign IP, the source system initiates an investigation playbook. This involves assessing the IP's reputation, analyzing login patterns, and if necessary, escalating the issue to the security analyst. Following confirmation of a threat, the source system executes a response playbook, which might include blocking the IP to the firewall, among other countermeasures. So this automated process reduces response time, minimum errors, and ensures a consistent approach to the security incident. So however, it's critical to recognize the limitation of current source system. Security team must continuously update playbooks as threat evolves, a process that can be time-consuming and challenging. Additionally, reliance on predefined rules for playbook selection may select and suboptimal responses to complex or novel threats. So today I am excited to introduce an advanced and innovative breakthrough in cybersecurity brought to you by Zonanstack. So in a world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, our AI-driven security solution is a game changer, designed to address the limitations of traditional security orchestration, automation and response systems. So our solution stands out because it leverages an adaptive AI model. This model does not just passively monitor, it actively analyzes real-time security alerts. It then provides dynamic playbook suggestions that can adapt to ever-changing threat landscape. Imagine for a moment our system detecting unusual login attempts. Instead of reacting in a predefined manner, our solution dives deep into the context, analyzes the type of the activity detected, historical data and relevant patterns. So this comprehensive understanding allows it to suggest the most suitable models for a customized response playbook, advanced AI analysis tools, behavior analysis modules, or other relevant tools not initially considered. So what truly sets our AI-powered security solution apart is its adaptive approach. It significantly reduces the need for manual intervention in updating playbooks. A new threat emerges, our solution automatically adjusts, enabling faster and more precise response to security incidents. So this not only improves the overall security posture of the organization, but so efficiently it handles the errors also. So another cornerstone of our solution is ease of use. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive workflows, security team can quickly adopt and leverage the solution without extensive training or specialized expertise. So this intuitive design empower users to make informal decisions and take decisive action, strengthening an organization's security postures and resilience. Moreover, our AI-driven security solutions is designed to integrate with existing security infrastructure seamlessly. This ensures compatibility with various SCAST tools and systems, enhancing the cybersecurity ecosystem and enables a cohesive and synchronized responses to potential threats across different platforms. Our solutions' ability to learn from past incidents and continuously refine in recommendations empower security team to stay ahead of evolving cybersecurity and proactively defend their network. So in summary, organizations can significantly enhance their cybersecurity readiness and responsiveness by deploying our advanced AI security solution. So this strengthens their defense mechanism, streamline their incident reporting processes, and bolster their resilience in the face of increasing sophisticated cyber attacks. So let's embrace this innovative solution together and transform the way we protect our digital landscape. Thank you.